Hello fellow Gwent players, noobs, welcome to the Ginada TV channel. In this channel we'll try to find the best decks, meta decks, that we can play in the game, okay? And I was surfing the internet and I just found Pajabol's deck. You know Pajabol? The world's greatest Gwent player in my opinion, love him. Absolutely, he makes everything right. And he is the Open Gwent champion and Masters champion. And today is, by the way, 6th of February 2021, and he was a guest at the console YouTube page, YouTube channel. You should subscribe to them. Great. Saber is there, by the way. Saber 97, I guess. And he's a professional Gwent player too. And he made this list, this deck, Nature's Gift deck. And a little bit controversial cards there, like Geralt of Rivia. I wouldn't put that in there, but who am I to judge, you know, the best player? And it makes sense because a lot of V or Y monsters running around in the leather, and this card works well with that. Just a minute, please. Right, so what do we have? Squirrel, double pyrotechnician could be a pain in the ass when you play them first in the round, especially if you are going first, like the blue coin. 2 temperings. How many units are in there in this deck? 14, right? Okay, so it makes Gord, Harold Gord, great. And you have 2 consistency cards here, Oniromancy and Isengrim's Council. And you can get Isengrim's Council with foe. You know, your foe can get your Shaping Nature and your Isengrim's Council. And if you're facing Nilfgaard, your foe should get your Dryas Caress, because Nilfgaard has locks and poisons, and so does Syndicate. So you have 2 of these. And how much Dryads will go up to 6 when you give them Nature's Gift charge, 1 charge. And you know, Skellige doesn't run Giga Scorpion, the Concoction these days. It's not in the meta, so these 6 cannot be easily removed unless it's some monsters and they have Parasite sometimes, so that's good in the meta. Of course, we have double rebuke, we have a tempo play with volunteers with no gradient justice. Heatwave is like in every deck in this meta right now. We have a toll removal, toll punish, right? So what else? Okay, Gale, Paco Gale. Okay, this could be a problem because it could be moved and you don't have a way to just move it back, you know, and it could be locked. I don't know this card, but Pajabol puts it there. Frankbower is good because you have a lot of Dryads like Hammer Dryads and Foe, so you can just have a Zeal to start with. You should. I always play this card with Zeal because it can be locked or it can be removed, so you don't miss that 2 damage there. Sage is just a great engine, right? So, right, this deck is good. We have Crystal Skull, obviously, in this meta. So let's jump into some games, right? Okay. So Pajabol's Nature's Gift, 6th of February 2021, right? I have never played this deck before, so we'll play it together in this channel. And this channel is new channel, okay? So this is my first video. If you guys are wondering why I have a rank of like 6 or something, because I didn't play ranked this season. I wanted meta to shape, and yeah, that's the reason actually. So let's have a snowy board, winter board, and hit me, yeah, just like that. Okay, let's jump into a few games. Let me check my camera before jumping, okay? Everything is fine. You'll see the scores, right? Okay. Wish me luck. And this channel is new, very new, but in this channel we'll try to find the best decks you can play, rather than like, as opposed to finding like fun or meme decks. Those are cool, but I like playing the decks that are really competitive. So I'm checking out with professional Gwent players like Saber, like Pajabol, like Shinmiri. And after this video, I will show you Shinmiri's ethical warriors. That's what he called them, with Heralds and Blood Eagle, and it doesn't include Lippy, but it includes Ceres. So severe deck, works great, 70-75% win rate, you know, and you can't find a match. Okay, we have Monsters V. That's what we are facing. Oh, lockdown. Shit. This is worse. This is worse, man. Alright. Do we need a toll removal against this Nilfgaardian deck? Well, they will have a lot of... we definitely don't want Ward in the first round. That's what we need. Oh my god. We are going second, so we can go toll. So this is good. This is good. I'm gonna keep this, one of these. I could just kick Geralt of Rivia, really. I don't know, guys. Yeah. Yeah, we don't need a toll removal. Not in the first round. In the third round we do, because he will use his bowl with Joachim. And Joachim will give me a good Geralt target, you know. We couldn't get our justice, so that's really bad. I think this row is really... I don't know, man. We should start with our engines, but we should also remove his engines. Yeah. That's what we should do first, maybe. I mean, do I have a better reboot target? This will kill his proactivity, so he won't have proactive play, maybe, because Nilfgaard always has problem with proactive plays. He doesn't. So, pyrotechnician. I really wanted to play my Poker Gale as early as possible, but I just can't.
I shall not leave them.
Like, denying his engines.
Tis mine. I was born. I shall die with it.
I don't know, I really want him to lock this card, because I can play my Caress as soon as possible. He has only played one lock yet. Yeah, here comes the lock, right? Yep. So I can Caress. Well, engine-wise we are in a really bad position, really. We don't have any engine and he does. It's too late for Poco. Okay, we might not be able to tempo here. We don't have a lot of tempo cards, so if he passes, we are in a bad position. We can play our final, like the last card. Let me do the maths. So he's at 30 with this, and I'm at 13. 17. This will give me 4. With 2 cards. We can do it. This will play for an 8, I think. Let's see. Well, we can always do the Force Protector, so it's no big problem. That's good that he uses like almost all his locks. Almost though, you know. We are passing, guys, by the way. Yeah. I think he will bleed because he wouldn't want a long round against Nature's Gift. but he wouldn't bleed because he will have a masquerade ball in his hands. This is good, by the way, Ruby, at this round. Okay, we really are missing a lot of cards, you guys. Like Oneuromancy is there, Justice is there, Shaping Nature. These are good cards that we... Oh, Heat Wave we are missing. We missed everything, actually. And let's hope he doesn't bleed us. Oh my god. We missed a lot. He doesn't bleed. So we can dry pass with a 4, thinning our deck with a Shaping Nature. It's an echo card, right? So yeah. So let's get Shaping Nature. Just give it Whale. If one of our units are poisoned, we can use the Whale to block his poison. Makes sense. We don't have a defender, do we now? Give me Heat Wave. Yes. Oh my god. I need my board, man. I do need my board. This is keep. You can just kick Rebuke. Oh. Fuck.
Well, I guess it's gonna take some more passion.
That's also 2-point program, right? Okay. Do you have locks? Come on, yeah, you do, of course. How many, man? Oh, come on, man. Yeah.
I must re-examine the manuscripts.
What do we have for our Forest Protector? We have Caress. I think, yeah, Caress is a little bit better than...
Though trees
Yeah, Caress, I think I'm gonna use that instead of Rebuke from my Forest Protector. Or I won't. What does our Isengrim's Council get us? I have totally forgotten that. Oh, our gourd is here. We have our gourd.
I wonder what Hastings will capture this time.
We have our gourd, you guys. With the council, right? Yeah. This squirrel is horrible, though. I mean, I don't like this card that much. Yes, give me my Rivia. Girls of Rivia. He doesn't have a ball? Oh shit. Oh shit. He doesn't have a ball? I mean, wait a minute. I am thinking about using my Force Protector to get a Dryad Caress, but use it on not Hamadryad but Poco. Yeah. It seems mad. It seems like a stupid play. Yeah. Well, guys, this might be wrong to do this, but watch this. Yeah, poison that, man. No problem, man. If you have another poison in your hand. Sure, go ahead. Yeah, he was gonna do Yennefer's invocation anyway, so that's okay. Do you have another poison or lock? I don't think so. You don't. You used all of them. Now I will just have 6 points here on my Pauco Gale. Well, we have a Kurat Heatwave target now. Let's use Geralt of Rivia this turn. Yeah, let's use that. Obviously on this guy. It's an engine. It's an engine, you guys. I think we got this. Yeah, we got this. But he has Yennefer's invocation. He won't use it this turn, he will use it next turn. Yennefer's invocation, because he doesn't have a bow, obviously he has that. He has another poison. How many do you have? Wow. Heat wave. And just damage for 1. Our board will do the trick, guys, don't worry. Well, even if he has poison, I think we are winning. Yeah, no, we are not. But he doesn't have a poison.
The only good human is
Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, I just look at that. Oh, we're not winning then. Oh my god. That was unlucky, right? We couldn't get our justice, so we couldn't tin our volunteers. Then it was a random thing. We couldn't get our gourd. That was unlucky. What the hell? Okay then. Okay, this doesn't imply that this deck is bad. It's just we were unlucky. Really unlucky with our draws. So, well, let's play Shinmiri Warriors now. The deck is like that. Shinmiri Ethical Warriors, let me show you that, but it won't be in this video. It will be in another video, my next video. I will play this deck, and this deck is done by another commentator, professional Gwent player, a really good player. I respect him a lot, Shinmiri, right? And we'll play this. Okay, this deck is also new and it's meta. Okay, so see you guys. Please subscribe, because I will try to upload a lot of videos, as many videos as I can. I have a 5-year-old son. My boy doesn't let me play Gwent, so yeah. See you next time, you guys. So take care, man.